Oh wow, I am so looking forward to this. Just check that out. Oh my god, that looks absolutely to die for. Good evening and welcome back to the channel. Tonight I've brought you down into Rawai and we're going to be taking a look at a great little restaurant. Really excited about this one because the lady that owns it I have featured on my channel before. It has been a long time ago and the restaurant that I covered was in Phuket Town. Unfortunately, COVID took its toll and it closed down, and I was absolutely gutted because this lady can really cook Thai food. So when I heard that she'd opened another restaurant, but this time in Rawai, I wanted to come down and check it out because Lek, the owner of the restaurant, does very simple Thai food but with her own personal twist. So very excited. The restaurant is called Ban Mai Cafe and Restaurant, and we're going to take a look at this little place because I'm sure you're going to love it. Now, of course, the last few videos I have been covering Rawai, and I think this is just a fantastic area because it's an area where you will find quite a large expat community here in Rawai. It's a great little place. It's got loads of facilities, lots of restaurants, lots of places to stay, all types of accommodation, room, resorts, etc. And it's a really nice area to take a holiday in. And of course it's not that far away from Harn Beach, Kata Beach, Karon Beach. Rawai does have a beach of its own as well. So let's get into the restaurant and check out this food. Sorry, Cap. Good evening. How's the food?
Wonderful. Delicious.
Excellent. That's right.
Here and see them doing everything. Wonderful.
We have special menu in Khao Soi.
Khao Soi. This is Lek. This is the owner.
Swadika.
Lek puts her own little twist on the dishes. So you're going to find it very unique a food. Not traditional menus. We're using an iPad and that is going to show. So the menus are held on the iPads. So we flick through and you choose what you want on the menu. We've got things on here like pad thai noodle, and then we have the soft shelled crab. Now Nat's had that before and that is really nice. We've got banana noodle pad thai, so some really unusual dishes. Spaghetti pad thai shrimp. I mean the price is, that's 95 baht. Okay, so me and Nat, we're going to have a look through the menu. It's a bit difficult to film because obviously getting the glare off the iPad.
สิงห์1 ขวดสปาเกตตี้ไม่สปาเกตตี้ต้มยำจาก
Cheers. What you had, Nat?
What is dinner?
Passion fruit by the looks of it.
Yeah.
So, mango and passion fruit shake. A little bit sour, a little bit sweet.
Today sweet.
Today sweet. Okay, so the food is now starting to arrive. We've got a starter of fried mushrooms, and then what have you ordered, Nat?
สปาเกตตี้ต้มยำ
Spaghetti tom yum. That looks delicious. Just gonna try one of these. Oh, hot, very hot. Got a cluster there. Oh, sweet chili. Okay, so this is my Massaman with roti. Cup and cap, thank you. Oh wow, I am so looking forward to this. Just check that out. Oh my god, that looks absolutely to die for. Can't wait to try this. Okay, let's check this Massaman out. This looks absolutely delicious. It's big. You can just taste the cinnamon straight away coming through. Oh, that's nice. I think I'm going to be very full. Very full. Oh, that's beautiful. Really is good. One thing for sure, Lek can really cook Thai food. Now this chicken just melts in your mouth. Absolutely just dissolves. And of course, not forgetting the rotis to go with it. Soak up the juice. Oh, wow. That is delicious. I'll be back to you shortly, once I've finished it. Okay, now Lex just bought us out a pad Thai prawn. We didn't order it, she's given it to us complimentary. You can see I'm still making my way through the Massaman because it's a very big portion.
แล้วเดี๋ยวจะสั่งมะม่วงอีกข้าวเหนียวมะม่วง
How long have you been cooking for?
I'm cooking in the my egg restaurant is 30 years.
30 years you've been
30
cooking.
years.
And it's your passion, yes?
Yeah, past already because of the egg restaurant we closed.
Yeah.
And now this restaurant only 5 months. End of this month is 5 months. I love food and I love service.
You do.
And I cooking food is not only for customer. I'm cooking food. I thinking customer is my family.
Yes, I can see that. And you also run cooking classes now.
Customer asked me for teach. I said okay, I think I can do.
Okay, so we're going to talk to Lek about her cooking classes, which is something new that she's now trying because her food is so good. Learn from the best and then you're going to have some great food on your table. So, Lek, how long have you been running the cooking classes?
Cooking class I just to start per one time.
Okay, so
Yeah,
it's
last week.
something new that you're
It's
doing.
something new.
And tell me about your cooking classes. So what do you do?
I cooking class I decide depend on customer want to study what menu, what Thai menu they want, and I can teach all menu they want, and I will prepare everything ingredient and a recipe for them, and about how to choose ingredient is fed, how to cook step by step, and like if come to the private or group also, but it's group not more than 5 people.
Okay, so maximum of 5 people. Now, if the people have got a menu in mind, can you do the menu for them? Yes.
Yes.
And if they haven't really got an idea, because some people obviously maybe first time to Thailand, they're not quite sure about Thai food, you can suggest a menu to them.
Yes, I can design menu for them also. It's like the last time my student they want to open restaurant in their country,
Okay.
and they want to know 10. They want to know 10.
10 dishes.
Yes,
Wow.
10 dishes, and one week it per 5 menu, and I teach them is deeply how to cook and how to boiling and softly and juicy, something like that, and have the trick for them.
And do you teach the customer about the ingredients that you're using, the different spices and herbs and everything that goes into the dish? You're going to explain all that to the customer?
Yes, I explain too, but it's up to depend on customer want it like they want to know only how to cook 1, 2, 3 step, and ingredient is like a curry paste. They want to already cook it like in the pack.
Okay.
But I have the recipe if they cannot find the curry paste, the packet curry paste, and I have the detail everything for them, and they can find ingredient to do by themselves.
Okay, so if they can't get the curry paste,
Yeah.
you can do up an ingredient list so
Yeah.
that they'll be able to make their own
Yeah.
curry paste. Cooking class, what days?
Okay, I had a convenient on only Saturday.
Saturdays at the moment.
Only Saturday, and the time up to the customer want, and can appointment me.
Okay, and how can they get in touch with you, Lek? If they want to do your cooking class and sample some of your food, what is the best way for them to contact you?
Okay. First, you can contact me via WhatsApp first.
Okay. what's
Okay. WhatsApp is number 094 591 5614.
that? Okay. And if they don't have WhatsApp, what other way? Do you have a Facebook page that they can contact
Yeah,
you on?
it's my Facebook page in Ban Mai Cafe and Restaurant.
Okay. Well, I will link all the details. I will put in the description down below. So don't panic if you missed anything there. They will be in the description. So just go and check that out. And if you want to sample some Thai food, be able to cook it when you get back home, then Lex definitely the chef to learn from. Okay, now Lex is bringing over one of her signature dishes, which is mango sticky rice. However, this is not just mango sticky rice. This is done in a very different way, Lex's own style. So Lex, tell me about this mango sticky rice, because this is not your normal mango sticky rice, is it?
Yeah, because we have pancake. It's a pancake outside, and we put the sticky rice between pancake, or it's roti, and outside is the crispy.
Crispy, yeah.
And it's juicy by sticky rice inside, and we serve with coconut milk.
Coconut milk that you traditionally see with mango sticky rice is normally thin, but this is actually quite thick.
Like a custard. Got the idea from another one,
Right.
but I thinking is I make it a different, a little bit
Yes.
style, and decoration is more beautiful, and make the sauce, coconut sauce is different. It's very good.
Presentation here on Lex Food is extremely good. It's not just delicious food, it's presented and looks absolutely fabulous. And of course you do eat with your eyes, so if the food looks great, you're going to definitely enjoy it, and I'm definitely going to be enjoying this mango sticky rice in a moment, so you'll have to excuse us.
But if you want to know more, you have to come to learn with her.
Yes.
Good. จะได้เรียกราคาได้เพราะว่าเรื่องของเรามันไม่เหมือนชาวบ้านใช่โอเคมีการบอกเธออย่ากินเยอะนะว่าเดี๋ยวฉันจะสั่งอันนี้
This is something you have to try. Mango sticky rice, this is on a whole different level. You definitely have to try this if you come in here. Definitely. Well, what can I say? I am absolutely stuffed. I think I need to go on a diet, to be honest. The food down here at the Ban Mai Cafe and Restaurant is just superb. I'd like to say a big thank you to Lek for her hospitality. And if you're wondering whether she's done these portions, especially for me, she hasn't. These are a normal puncheon size. And that Massaman chicken was massive. So I've got some takeout that I'm going to enjoy tomorrow for lunch. So I urge you to come and try this little restaurant here in Rawai, because the food is excellent. If you're thinking of cooking classes, then Lex, definitely a good chef to learn from. If you've enjoyed the content tonight, then please remember to give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing. Don't forget to share it on your own social media. And I guess that just leaves me to say, as always, thanks for watching, and until next time, you take care, and I'll catch you on the next one.